Hello friends, today I am going to discuss leftover notes or of repair and maintenance of building, which is best before exam for revision purpose. 6th semester polytechnic. Explain the meaning and objective of maintenance. Meaning of maintenance. Maintenance is the process of maintaining something or somebody. It may mean the state of being maintained. The term also refers to looking after somebody financially, that is, the provision of financial support of person, especially providing them with living expenses. Building maintenance refers to the tasks necessary for keeping a building functional and livable. A single building requires a skilled team of multiple people with different maintenance specialties in areas like electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Objective of maintenance. The more specific objective of maintenance are as follows: to optimize the reliability of equipment and infrastructure, to ensure the equipment and infrastructure are always in good condition, to carry out prompt emergency repair of equipment and infrastructure so as to secure the best possible availability for production, to enhance through modification, extension, or new low cost items the productivity of existing equipment or produce capacity, to ensure the operation of equipment for production and for distribution of energy and fluids, to improve operational safety, to train personnel in specific maintenance skills, to advise on the acquisition, installation, and operation of machinery, to contribute to finished product quality, to ensure environmental protection. Hence, please subscribe my channel for further videos for further question and answer of repair and maintenance of building. So please subscribe, share, and like my videos for further notes. Follow this channel. This is the English version of Polytechnic 6th semester of notes. Hence, question number 3 in another videos we will discuss the different factors affecting the building maintenance and repair. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. See you soon in next videos.